Hey guys! So remember my beautiful walnut cornbread, the walnut honey cinnamon cornbread that I made? So I have a new batch and I'm gonna make it into stuffing for the holidays. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. We cannot keep this long enough to even make this. I had to cut half off and just save it for this. But what I'm gonna do is make it into little individual size stuffing, so you can just pop it on your plate, super easy, and it's like, looks cute on your holiday plate, and it's different. I like a little change up, a little elevation. So this is gonna be our little elevation, using our beautiful stuffing and making it individual. This is some organic Applegate chicken sausages that I have in my freezer. I'm gonna add these to the stuffing. We're gonna do some onion, garlic, sage, and thyme, chicken broth, cranberries. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. First thing we're gonna do is let's grease our muffin tin. Let's keep it easy. It's the holidays. Let's not add a lot to our plate. So we're just gonna go, you know what I mean? Keep it easy. Let's not overthink things. Okay, done. So now let's get our onion cooking. So we're gonna put this in a little bit of olive oil, cook it for about 5 minutes so it gets beautiful, translucent, and sweet. We're gonna add our garlic and then our sage and our thyme. Teaspoon of fresh sage, teaspoon of fresh thyme. Oh my gosh, it's like holidays in a little ramekin. Okay, let's do it. This smells so beautiful, wow. So this is the onions, garlic, sage, and thyme. We're gonna dump in our chicken sausage. You can tell the onion is already that beautiful translucent color. So we're gonna cook this for another 2 minutes and then take it off the heat. To our breadcrumbs, we are going to add our sausage mixture, and then we're gonna add 1 egg. We have a cup of chicken broth and a 1/4 cup of cranberries. Lightly fold together, and then we're gonna fill our muffin tins. So let's do the sausage mixture first. We wanna lightly, because you wanna kind of keep some of those cubes in there, right? We're gonna add our egg. We're gonna add our, so here's the thing, you don't want it to be too wet, right? So what I would say is put in the egg and the chicken broth. Make sure it's not too wet before you finish all of it, okay? Like this is actually looking kind of good. 1/4 cup of cranberries. Let's get a little bit of salt and pepper. This is looking beautifully moist. I might add a little more, but I don't even think I'm gonna do all this, truthfully. Salt. And then you wanna delicately, you just wanna be really delicate with it. So this is the perfect amount of moisture that I want. So now let's fill our tins. So this, oh my gosh, these are gonna be so pretty on a plate with the rest of your Thanksgiving meal. We could probably fill more than 6 of these, truthfully. We'll make them nice and puffy. I always like an elevation to a meal, so it's just like a little bit different, kind of fun for people to be able to have this on their plate. And I'm just kind of packing it in there because you want it to kind of hold together. I'm gonna pack this down. And then my oven is preheating to 350, and I'm gonna check these after about half an hour. All right, this is great. Let's pop these in the oven. Yummy. Our muffins are out of the oven. Our muffins, our stuffing, our stuffins. They got some stuffins going on. Okay, so what you want to do is cut around the outside with a sharp knife. Let them cool completely. And then bring out our stuffins. Oh my gosh, Imagine that on the side of your holiday plate. Isn't that pretty? Gravy, smash it open, eat it. Oh my goodness. I love a little individual stuffing packed muffin. That's pretty. Who's not gonna love that? That's delicious, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. We need some gravy on here. I just got a piece of the sausage. Guys, that's beautiful. It's different. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, I hope this makes it onto your holiday plate. It's so different and lovely. And you know I love to reimagine a recipe we already have, our cornbread. Guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. That was perfectly cooked.